So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cameron. This is going to be a little follow-up video following the video I did regarding cookware, black pans and iron skillets. Some of you guys said that they were difficult to work with, difficult to cook with and difficult to clean. Well, today I'm going to show you by far the easiest way of cleaning a cast iron skillet, and it starts with two rules: hot water, hot pan. So I'm going to warm the pan up now, put a little bit of water in it, and I'm going to be coming over to the sink. Hot pan, hot water. So my pan's been on the stove, nice and hot. Like I said, I put a little bit of hot water in it, and we are ready to bring it over to the sink and wash it with hot water. No soap, just hot water. So there's my hot pan, hot water. All I'm going to do is give it a brush around. I'm going to double check on the edges. So remember, hot pan, as you can see I'm holding it with a tea towel. Hot pan, hot water. Once I'm happy that everything is off, we go back over onto the hot stove and follow me over there. So guys, we are back at the hot stove. This is the ring that I used to warm that pan up, and as you can see, it's taken some of the excess water from it. So at this point, all we want to do is take that excess water out and then add a drizzle of oil, olive oil, canola oil, anything you want, and then rub that oil in on all the surfaces. Doesn't need to be a lot of oil, just enough just to coat it. And that's it. That skillet is now ready to hang back up on the wall and use for the next time. So guys, I'm going to continue cleaning my skillets. Thanks for dropping by. If you like our videos, please do subscribe, hit the notification button so that you know when we make another video. Julie and I truly appreciate all the feedback that we get from the channel. But as I say, I'm going to continue cleaning, and I will see you in the next video.